All right, so Richie's getting down on the inside right now. He is cleaning the back window. He's got the film pretty much all shrunk down. You can see it's all molded to the glass. And so he does have some specialty tools that he cleans with.
Yeah, get you one of these right here.
Yeah, that reaches down way down in there and gets that glass really
I don't care
good.
how good you shrink the film, how well you install it. If you don't clean the window good, it's pointless. Because dealerships, they always put stickers and all kinds of things on the window, so you really got to make sure you don't have anything. Whatever's on the glass will show up in the tint. And I got a pro tip for you guys. Pro tip. Your hand is very sensitive. What I like to do is I take my hand and I feel the glass. Do I feel anything that shouldn't be there? Any stickers, any glue, any gunk? Because again, you install it and there's an imperfection, back to the plotter, start all over. Better to check now. Feel for anything that might be there. Any glue or leftover tape from a dealer sticker or anything like that. And that just reassures me that I'm not gonna have anything. Give it a good scrub. Once you're satisfied with that, I like to take a towel, clean your pillars, edges. Keep your customer's car nice, clean, wipe up as much as you can. Okay. Squeegee. Low as you can. You come in with your swipe tool. And we're ready to tint.
And get you one of those bottles too.
If you can.
Those are the bottles, the double spray. Every time you spray, it sprays twice. Yes.
This technique is a back roll or reverse roll, some people call it. Let's call it a back roll. Great. Get it nice and wet. Put your liner over. Shimmy it in. Finish the top here. Go about to the middle. Keep it in position. Again, your hand, best tool. Make sure there's no gaps. Check the bottom. Okay. Don't squeegee dry. Across the middle, just like we anchored it before. Okay, down. And up. Side's a little snug. It may. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta finagle it a little bit. There we go. Okay. Bulldozer. Let's work the bottom. And then we do it again. Just to make sure we didn't leave any. Just to make sure we didn't leave anything behind.
So if you like window tint, follow our page, subscribe.
Yes.
Good food.
And if you guys have questions, leave them in the comments.
Oh yeah, and if you like good food, hit up Richie Brew Foods. He's not only a window tinter, but a chef.
I love to tint windows, but I think I love to cook more.
Cleaning up the aftermath.
Okay. Swipe the bottom now. Now, be careful with these because this point is kind of sharp, and if you angle it wrong, you can catch the film and tear it. And then you're starting all over. Start over. Okay. Now that we've got that, looks pretty good. It looks installed. I don't see any excessive moisture. I like to go hard card paper towel, work the sides. Work the top. Make sure we don't have anything. All right, let's see how we did. Very important, check your work right away. If there's let's say a bubble or moisture, it's better to get it right now, immediately. Don't let it dry out. Don't move on until you're done. Because if you move on and then you come back later, it might be too late to fix anything that could be going on. I don't know, what do you think, Jason? Looks like a pretty good install to me.
Looks very good.
Get a drier towel, maybe.
Solid.
Can dry it off a little better. Looks like a clean, successful install.
Maybe
Get a little moisture.
right here on the dot matrix. Right here.
Now, eventually when the film dries, the dot matrix will turn a little bit of a white color, just because it's three-dimensional. The film cannot sit completely flat on the glass where the dots are.
Yeah.
But that's just kind of the nature of the beast.
But it did look like that did take care of it.
Yeah, helped it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks great though.
Yeah, other than that, I don't
really
see
clean.
anything. No fingers.
That's a 15% 3M ceramic IR. Beautiful tint. Beautiful install.
Thank you, Richie.
Yeah.